Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change profile picture on Zoom. To change your profile picture on Zoom application, the first thing to do is to launch open the Zoom app from your app drawer. Soon after you launch open the app, make sure to sign into your account, and after you are, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you will now need to tap on your name at the top and then click on the pencil icon right beneath your profile picture at the top left. Click on the Change Profile Picture option and this will now take you to your mobile devices library. Now select the picture from your camera roll and then click on Save after adjusting the image. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your profile picture on Zoom. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.